Google is always cooking. Like, Google is always cooking. For those of you that saw my previous video, I talk about Lyria Creates, which is Google's music generation. Now, although this is still like in the beginning phase, but there's still quite a lot you can do from this. I had to go make my own research, and I had to use Grok because Grok works with real-time updates, and I had to also use Google Gemini so we can explore the multiple things that we can use this particular AI generation model for. Now, when I went over to Grok, I told it, okay, I need you to give me everything about this particular model, what it is about, the entire idea, what it can be used for, and then the limitation. So let's just get away from this. Okay, this started in 2023, and this is 2026. And 18th of February 2026, that was yesterday, Google announced it. And they called it their most advanced music generation model yet. Last week, I was just seated and I was just asking myself, why won't Google? Okay, see, Google alone is enough to make you a guru. Let me use the word guru in quotes in AI creation, in AI vibe coding, building apps. Google is that advanced. So I was wondering, why don't they have a song generation model yet? Why can't we generate songs? Of course, I know there's DJ FX, there's music FX, there's DJ FX, and then there's a whole lot of that. But I really didn't. I wanted something that could sing, just like we have Suno AI and the rest of that. And Google did not disappoint. So yesterday, 18th of February, they brought this. So we should call this our own Valentine gift from Google, right? Okay, so what is Lyria all about? It's a generative AI model that is trained on data sets of music, audio, and text. The English here, let's just move away from that. And what are the key features and the improvements that we see in Lyria 3? So you can do auto lyric generation. No need for you to write your words. Why am I even talking too much? Let's even try it out. No need for you to write your words. You can just tell it, oh, this is what I want you to create for me. And this is exactly how you can access it. Just search on Gemini and you're going to get access to it here. So while that is still loading, let's come over here. And then you also have granular control, meaning that you can tweak your style. So if you want female vocals, you want 1980s modern, 1980s, you want classical, and the rest of that, you can try it. And also it uses this multimodal input, meaning that beyond text, you can also use image for inspiration. Wow, I've not explored that yet. Okay, so what this means is you can upload an image reference and you can ask it to create a song from there. Wow. Okay, so we are going to explore this. This is it. This part where you see create music. That's exactly what it's like. And you can see different genres here. You can pick rap, Latin pop, and this is free. Yeah, you can use this on your free account. Wow, R&B, Afro pop, Google. You know what makes this interesting? This is the first. They brought this out yesterday. But it is still amazing. Google always cooks, and when they cook the entire kitchen and they serve it really hot. So let's just describe. Now let's try this first one that says auto generation lyric. So let's just say, I need you to create let's say a heartbreak song. For unrequited love. Let's use that. So let's use classical music style. Or no, let's use rap style. So we're going to click on submit and let's wait for that. Now note, it only does 30 seconds, right? And I want us to try all of this. This is according to Grok, and Grok gives real-time updates. Grok is like as in the hot 9 Grok they give. Then another thing is realism and complexity. So tracks sound professional grade with layered arrangements, not just loops. It handles different features like K-pop plus Bollywood or pop rap. Really? Wow, let's try this. Okay, I'm going to try this. And integration, it is free in Gemini app, like I said, mobile or desktop with higher limits for subscribers. Okay, so that means there's actually a limit to the generation you can do based on what we see here, with higher limits for subscribers. Now, the current account I'm using for this is a pro account, but yes, they actually use the free account to do that. So examples of what can be created with Lyria 3. Okay, for my YouTube videos. Okay, actually ask it to give me these scripts for my YouTube video, like what I'm doing right now. So you can do nostalgic Afrobeat track. Okay, so let's copy this. And let's try this here. Okay, wait, let's listen to our song. Let me increase the volume so we can listen to it.
Scrolling on my screen. Yeah, I saw your post. You look so happy. It's like his chest under the sea. One-sided love, a painful sabi. Thirsty, see you. Sitting all my days and months on you.
Wow, this is amazing. It's 30 seconds, and I feel the way you could use this, right? My God. I know, I'm still...
Oh, youth, I'm stuck here loving you, but you ain't got a clue. Stuck loving you, but what else can I do?
Guys, isn't this amazing? So all you need to do is click on download track, and you can download as video or you can download as audio only. MP3 track. Good. Hey. No, this is beautiful. This is the best time to literally be alive. This is the best time to be alive, guys. Okay, let's try the Afro beats. I know the limitations a lot of people would complain of is, oh, it's 30 seconds, but this is the beginning stage. I'm sure with time, we're going to create longer versions, but this is the beginning stage, and the audio is clean. It's top notch. It is sleek. It is sleek on sleek. I'll give Google 7/10 for this because this is actually nice. So you can also do comical R&B slow jam, Motown parody, image to music. Oh, let's try that image to music. So let's upload a file, and let's also do, let me pick from my downloads. I should have an image here. Okay, so let me try with this pasta. This is golden penny pasta, right? So let me tell it to create a jingle based on this. Create a jingle for this product, Nigerian style. All right, create a jingle, Nigerian style. Something went wrong trying to create your track. Could I try again? Okay, I'm going to try again, but create this first. So you can do image to music, you can blend different genres. So let's try K-pop and Bollywood too. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, so let me just copy this. Oh no. Okay, so let's just copy this one. Sorry, give me a moment. Let me add this. To be honest, I still don't know how I can bypass that part where my tab just moves out from the next tab. Please, if you know how to do it, just tell me in the comment section so I can learn it. I've not really had time to search for that on Google. But let's try K-pop and Bollywood. Let's copy this. Then we'll come over here. Okay, still, let's listen to this. Please be nice. For the family. For the family joy, oh, for my hungry belly, oh, make the party sweet now. Everybody dance now. Golden penny spaghetti, it make my body happy. Quick and easy for the family. Golden penny spaghetti, from morning till the night, oh, it always feels so right, so everybody sing with all your might, so golden penny spaghetti. Oh my God, this is amazing. I'm feeling so excited right now. Oh, wow, this is too good. Like, this is really good. Okay, let's try this one where we have, I need you to create a song on, what should we pick now? A song on, AI is all in my head. Let's just try AI content creation again. A song on AI content creation. Think K-pop meets Bollywood. So let's try this and see what we'll get. So please, if you've not clicked on the like button, like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, tell me. I'll see. You can send your creations to me on X. I want to see what you're doing. You can do it and tag me on X, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. Let me see what you've created. This is so amazing. Let me see what you've created. Okay, so we've tried image to music, right? We are currently blending K-pop and Bollywood. So you can also do instrumental. No vocals. You could just say, I want you to try instrumentals. Do it. Then user shared examples from socials, shares track like heartbeat souvenirs or custom lyrics from emails. Okay, this one, people have actually been sharing what they created. So this is nice. Okay, now the limitations. The length is only 30 seconds. Yeah, no full songs yet. But it's like I said earlier, this is the first stage, and I'm sure we can create longer videos with high access restrictions. You have to be 18 plus. Creative bounds, you can't mimic specific artists. Okay, I cannot say sing in Taylor Swift's voice. It inspires your own style. And so I cannot say sing like Moses Bliss or sing, okay, I can't do that. So you need to be creative. Then additionally, technical / quality, while realistic, it's AI. Subtle nuances might lack human touch. Vertex AI version is instrumental only. Okay, good. Then the usage cap, free tier has limits and subscribers get more. All right, we understand. We're going to explore it even with the free version. So Lyria 3 is a game changer for accessible music AI, and it's just giving us what we want. Just be creative with this. I trust you would, right? So let's listen to K-pop and Bollywood fusion style. Let's play this.
Canvas, Mira Ai, code and rhythm make a beautiful plan.
With a digital heart and a human soul, a brand new story making us feel.
Wow, this is amazing. Okay, that's for Grok. That's Grok's review. Let's check it out from Gemini. So Gemini, I also asked Gemini to explain what this is about. And of course, it's similar to what Grok had said, the multimodal input, the granular control, and examples of what can be created, image to music. We tried that, right? So you can upload a silent 10-second drone shot. Let me see if I've got a shot here, just something short that I can add. Okay, let me look for a short clip. So I can let's try that out. Okay, so this is still pasta. Let's try it. So I'm just going to say, create a song for this Afrobeats style. So let's hop on that. And then text to music. We've been trying text to music, right? So the limitations and constraints, 30 seconds, okay? Set ID watermarking. Every single track generated by Lyria 3 includes a synth ID watermark. So, okay, digital signature. That's just what that one is talking about then. Okay, safety and artist protection is similar to what we saw in Grok here, where you cannot try to, you cannot tell it to give you the exact voice of an artist. This one here, this creative bounds, that's it. And then, but this is amazing. I want to see what you're going to do with this. Let me see what you're going to do with this. Okay, let's listen to this track. Okay, this one is still creating.
Oh yeah, when the family gather, oh, good food not the matter, oh, quick and easy for the cooking. Cooking, see the smiling faces looking. Everybody ready now for golden penny spaghetti. Golden penny, golden moment, Asian happy memories, sweet enjoyment for everyone. The party just they start. Go, spaghetti.
Wow, okay, this is quite amazing. So tell me in the comment section, which of these are you going to be trying out? Let me see yours. You can post it on social media. My social media handles are tagged in the description. You can post it on Facebook, on X, on Instagram. Just tag me, or you can even send it directly to me on WhatsApp. Let me see your creations. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. All I do is share AI content creation tips for you. Yeah. RIRAH Creates. I'll see you in the next video.